Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to tag everyone in WhatsApp group. So very first thing we have to do is just open your Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and then you just have to make sure that you are using the latest version of WhatsApp application. If there is any update, just make sure to update. So after we updated the WhatsApp, we are just gonna open the WhatsApp application, and then you just have to open the group. So let's say for example, this is the group, and if you want, and please be careful, if you want to tag everyone at once, unfortunately it is not possible. What you're gonna do is, which is alternative way, is going to tag and select the members that you want to tag on this group and hit send, and rest ensured that they will get a notification that they were mentioned. So if you want to tag everyone at once, unfortunately there is no way currently, but we will make a video when it becomes available. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.